What's going on, y'all? Hadley Basson here, and today we are going on a real adventure. So we are out off of a trail, and we're gonna try this pond out first. I don't have a an exact thing that I want to do today. We're just gonna hop around. We're gonna fish some little streams in these ponds that are just out in the middle of nowhere. Like this pond right here is right next to, I think this is a campus police or something like that, and it's out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, there's a main road right there, but there's no clear path to this, so I think there's gonna be some nice fish in here. We're gonna see what we get. There could be some monsters, there could be just some little fish. We're gonna go for anything, so let's go. There is some loud freaking crickets or something. I don't know what they are. Something's freaking chirping away. Oh yeah, we can get some good fish in here. I was originally gonna fish, there's another pond a little bit down there, but as I can see, I can get to this, so this might be even better, because I have not fished this before, and this looks pretty good. It looks kind of deep in the middle. I gotta find an easy way around. Here's the stream. Yep, we got clear passage now. Oh, and there's another brook right here. Yeah, see, this right here is, there could definitely be like a baby trout just chilling down there. You never know. That's crazy. Alright, let's make our way up. Uh-oh, my net is out. So, yeah, I gotta go find my net. Alright, update. Found the net. It's right here. So, now we're just gonna go fishing. That's all we gotta do now. Alright, well, let's cast out, see what we got. I'm on already. I'm on already. No way, dude. I gotta fish first cast. This might be a trout. It is a trout. No way, dude. No freaking way. No freaking way. It's a brook trout. No way, dude. No way. Come here, come here. No way, dude. No way. Come here. Oh my god, he just evaded the net. Oh my god, no way, dude. Come here. Yes, no, yo, that's crazy. That is actually crazy. Like, no way, dude. Actually, no way. I wasn't expecting this. Oh my god, bro. She is beautiful. This is 100% a native fish. Look at that. Come here, come here. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. He came off. There he is. Show him right there. I think I can net him. I gotta get a picture of that. That is wild, dude. She's sitting right there. No way. I'm gonna go for this. Right there. Right there. A wild brook trout. Out of this freaking farm pond, dude. Look at that. Right out of here. First cast I got him. Got off, swimming right up the brook. I'm gonna try to get him. That is crazy. Look at that fish, dude. Actually, look at that fish. Oh, nah, I'm not chasing him. No freaking way, dude. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. No shit, dude. First freaking cast, and I hook onto a wild brook trout. That is wild. See, guys, this is why you have to go out and explore, because this pond I take this trail to go to a reservoir that I know is stocked and has bass in it. Like, but this, I freaking go on the trail right here and I see this pond. Half the time in the summer, it's way too covered in forestry and stuff to even get near it. And I come here and first cast, I hook onto a wild brook trout. That is wild. We got him on this, I forget what this is called. This is the 10,000 fish shimmer shad, I'm pretty sure. I got it on a little Ned rig. Just casted that out. Hit it right away, dude. Super aggressive fish. That is crazy. Let's go for another one now. Too bad I can't get to other places because it's just too much muck and stuff in here. But that is just amazing, dude. And that fish is still upstream. That fish is still moving upstream because it hasn't came back down yet. I don't know what I should try because I don't feel like I should give this place too much time just because the amount of bank access I have. If I had way more bank access, I'd be fishing this all day. But I only have a certain amount of land to fish. So, like, literally, I can only go right here as of right now because I don't have waders. But I'm going to get waders probably tomorrow and then come back here. That's probably what I'm doing because this is just, it's amazing. This is the type of fishing that I really love. Just because of how the mystery in it and the exploration. Like, you would never know that this is out here. He is right there. I need to get pictures of this fish. No, he swam off. Look. He's off. Back off into the pond. That is amazing. I salute you, Mr. Fish. But I'll be back for your friends another day. Let's go to the other pond. I got high hopes for this place because last time I caught 3 micro bass. 3 micro bass out of here. Hoping we can get some more. Some different species. Because I also remember casting out and hooking onto probably what was a trout. But then he came off right away, so. And look at that. That water's definitely got something in it. Gushing out. We could try right here. Oh! No way. There's a crawfish in here. There's a crawfish right in here. I thought these were beds. Or maybe last year or something, but there's crawfish. I'm also gonna try this. I'm gonna drop my bait right down here. Nothing. Oh, he's on. No, dude. He was on there. His head's poking out again. I'm dropping it right down there again. Alright, well, didn't get anything here. This place is empty as of now. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably walk up this creek, see what we can find there. There's not another pond until the reservoir, but I'm curious to see if we could find any deep holes or anything of that sort. So, let's go do it. Yeah, look at this. These are some deep holes. Now there could very well be a fish in here. There is! There's a baby fish. Baby fish. That's like a little fry, dude. I don't know where it went, but... Oh, it's right down there. Let's try to see if I can net it. This is crazy. So, I already found 2 fish. One over there and one right here. It's a very small fish, though. Like this fish, you couldn't even hook it. But, it's cool to see, though. This is it. This is a deep hole right here. This is, if we're gonna get them, this is here. Ooh, that looks good. I can't spook any fish though, so I gotta kind of cast it in here. Yeah, that looks good. Damn it, I'm already hooked. I just got hooked on something. Oh, I'm on. I was actually on something. Like, not even lying. I was actually on something. I gotta get a smaller hook. I was actually on a fish. Holy crap, dude. This is amazing. Oh my god, where did I even cast that? I'm gonna get into the water a little bit. Yeah, that's a deep hole. That's probably a foot deep. Okay, it's in there. Give it a minute. I'm on. He just bit it. I'm on. No way. Holy crap. It's a brook trout. Oh my god. No way. I gotta get water in my hands. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful fish. No, dude, he's hooked pretty bad. This is a beautiful fish. That fish. That is beautiful. Oh my god. And there he goes. He swims off right away. Oh my god, dude. That is amazing. That is amazing. Let's go for another one. Maybe there's another in there. That might have been the only fish in there. I wouldn't be surprised, but I'm not mad. That second fish there just made my day. Yeah, that was probably the only one in there, if I'm being honest. Yep, that was the only fish in there. But that either way, that is amazing. That little fish is in this creek right here. What's up, y'all? Hadley Bass in here, and today we are fishing another small creek. We're just gonna see what's in here, because there could be a lot of things. I already see 2 or 3 deep holes, so bet you this is gonna be a lot better, because I walked yesterday throughout a creek and we got 2 fish, 1 very small brook trout and 1 large brook trout. So hopefully this will hold some micros too. And this is literally right up the street from my house, like right up my driveway, and then straight across is this place right here. So we're gonna see what we can get. Gonna get a worm on, of course, and just see what happens. I might have just had something bite already. Either way. Oh, I did have something. There is something in there. I see it. There's a fish right in there. No way, dude. No way. There's actually a fish in here. There's actually a fish. That's a decent sized one too. There's actually a fish in here. No way. First freaking spot. He has it. No way, dude. There's actually a fish. I can see him too. It's clear as day. The first spot we go to. We're already hooking onto him. Okay, I don't have too much battery left, but I just made it back to where we started. And I'm determined to catch this fish, so he's biting it. I'm really just gonna have to see if I think he has it. I have him. No way. No freaking way. It's a baby brook trout. Baby brook trout. I gotta get down to the water. This is crazy. This fish made that whole trip worth it. No, dude, it's tough because it's way down there and I can't really force it out. Oh, he's floating down, man. Come back. That's not good, but it's a cycle of life. Damn, I really feel bad for that, though. I finally came back and got him, but he got gut hooked. He didn't get gut hooked, but just he got hooked too far down, and I didn't want to hurt him, and that way he died. But he died a peaceful death. Rest in peace.